It's about being mindful of your energy and consciously shifting to a state of love, joy, and abundance, even in the face of challenges. Remember, you are a powerful creator, and your frequency is the key to unlocking your infinite potential. By cultivating a daily practice of raising your vibration, you'll begin to see your reality transform in miraculous ways. But don't just take my word for it. Experience the magic for yourself. Start implementing these techniques into your daily life and watch as your world begins to shift. Trust in the power of your own energy and know that the universe is conspiring in your favor. In the next section, we'll explore how raising your vibration can help you manifest your deepest desires and create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Are you ready to take this journey to the next level? Keep watching, and let's dive deeper into the art of manifestation through the power of your frequency. Your best life is waiting for you. All you have to do is align with it energetically. Let's do this together. Manifestation through vibration. Now that you understand the power of your frequency and how to raise your vibration, let's dive into the incredible world of manifestation.